Right then, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Crypto Space. In today's video we are going to cover ICP and see what is going on with ICP. But before we are going to start it, let's quickly have a look at crypto bubbles and switch to daily. As you can see, our winner ICP is up 33%, TRB 11.7, XDC 7.5, SUI 3.8, Helium 6.6, Injective 9.5, and Say 12.5, as well as Mina 8.3. As we can see over here on a weekly, we are pretty much going up on most of the coins, and as you can see over here on a monthly, we are pretty much on up on almost everything. All right, and let's quickly have a look at Fear and Greed Index. We are currently sitting at 67 in greed. All right, and let's have a look at Internet Computer. So as we can see over here, in a 24 hours, we've pretty much pumped hard from 10 to $13.5, and I believe that is just a beginning, not a financial advice. Of course, make sure that you are doing your all due diligence before you invest into any crypto. All right then, okay, so let's have a look over here. If we are going to zoom out and click on max, as you can see over here, guys, we've started at price of 461. I believe on other charts it's showing higher prices, but that's that chart obviously it looks very scary. However, I believe, in my personal humble opinion, that is similar case as it was with Solana. The project itself has a very good use case. However, Internet Computer were involved with FTX, or actually FTX was involved with that. So obviously our friend Sam, he pretty much made sure that ICP dumped to these low price levels. However, that if we believe in the project, that allowed us to get into that project, and I'm pretty sure that many ICP holders are very happy now. Let's have a look at the market cap itself. All right, and so as we can see over here, at the top of the top of the market cap, if it comes to ICP, was at $17,609,000,000, and now we are currently sitting at $5 billion. So we do definitely have a lot to go if it comes to ICP. All right, then let's have a look now at the website itself. As you can see over here, they look very professional. They're also integrated with AI, so I do believe in that project personally. They look very professional. The website looks very professional, and they do have a use case. So as we can see over here, the Internet Computer blockchain enables full decentralization because it allows developers to build online services without needing to rely on traditional information technology IT, such as cloud computing services, databases, and web services, which are centralized, insecure, subject to censorship, and often unreliable. And that is true. In traditional IT, there was always a problem, guys, and Internet Computer is solving that problem. So in my personal opinion, we might see a much bigger adoption, especially when we are not tied, they are not tied with Sam. All right, then let's have a look over here on Twitter. So they currently have only 6,000 subscribers, and if we are going to have a look over here, they are constantly growing followers. So obviously, due to the fact, because the coin is pumping itself, people are starting following the actual coin, the Twitter account of that project. Let's have a look on DeFi Llama and let's check what is currently brewing. So the total value locked at the moment is at $19.4 million. And as you can see over here, the price was pretty much hovering in a boring territory. However, we have pumped because a lot of total value locked a lot of total value locked was injected into the system, and the price at that time didn't really pick up on that spike. That if you are following these statistics, I'm pretty sure if you saw the opportunity into it I'm pretty sure you're very happy now. So as you can see over here, the price was going sideways, but the total value locked was steadily growing, and as you can see over here, we are pretty much sitting at, well, $19 million in terms of total value locked. So let's have a look at volume. So the volume is constantly increasing. Let me zoom it in, okay, over here. So as you can see, that is a very bullish sign for ICP. Not a financial advice, of course. If we are going to have a look at core developers, a lot of developers are joining ICP. So what does it really indicate to me? It indicates that this ecosystem is good and developers are very happy to be in ICP. Alright then guys, so let's have a look into the chart. So as we can see over here, that's first of all, maybe let me put on a weekly. As we can see over here on a weekly, we're at price $58, but that's on a buy, but obviously it depends what kind of exchange we are going to put. Obviously the prices were much higher, but let's see over here. We've pretty much broke from that trend line from 2021, so we have pretty much flipped bullish, and we already did a pump of, let me just, okay, so that's around 2x guys, and I believe that is just a beginning. If we are going to look at RSI, we are currently trading at 82, so on the weekly we are in overbought territory. However, that doesn't necessarily have to indicate that we are going to go lower. If there is a momentum for ICP, just like it is for Solana, or it was, that might not respect that RSI indication. All right, then let's have a look over here on the daily. As you can see over here, sorry, on the 3-day chart, as you can see over here on the 3-day chart, we have broke above that accumulation, second accumulation box slash resistance. So that is a very bullish sign. And if we are going to have a look on a daily, we have pretty much closed the previous day on a green, and it looks like ICP would like to close another green day, which is very good. All right, and let's have a look on the 4-hourly. Let me just get that thing back. All right, and as you can see over here, we do have some candles, some red candles. However, that is just 4-hourly time frame. If we are going to throw a ribbon at it, as you can see over here guys, we are in a bullish territory, bullish momentum for ICP, and that is just a beginning. It all depends what kind of adoption we are going to see with Web3 development into this upcoming bull run. If we will see major adoption, and that is what that is what we are currently experiencing, at least in my personal humble opinion, we might see ICP going, you know, like very high. That obviously is just my personal opinion. All right then guys, thanks very much for that quick for watching that quick video. Peace and love, crypto.